Hey, welcome to today's show. Today we're continue our series on flashlights. We're going to talk about this. Manker E14 On max it has 2200 lumens. It only has that for 45 seconds and it goes down to 800 lumens. I'll pull out all the specs later. This is the big brother to this E05. The reason I got this E05 is it's small, it's 1 AA. You can put a 18650 battery. Is that what I'm thinking? Oh, you can put a 14500 rechargeable battery in there. So maximize the lumens. You can get up to 1400 lumens with this. So that there's see the moonlight, and there's the next one, and then there's the next one, and then there's strobe light. So it's 0.5 lumens. We're just gonna get this right. 0.5 lumens, 500 lumens, 0.5 lumens, 50 lumens, and 150 lumens. Of course the strobe is 150, but if you use that 14500 battery, it's 5 lumens, 150 lumens, and 400 lumens. The runtime is the same with both batteries, you just get more light. It's 48 hours on Moonbeam, 7.5 hours. Oh, I lied. On the AA battery, on Moonbeam you get 500 hours. On 50 lumens you get 7.5 hours. And on 400 lumens you get 1.8 hours. That's pretty good. But on the 14500 battery, you get 48 hours but you get 5 lumens. And instead of 7 hours, you get 2 hours at 150 lumens. And so, which is similar than it was on the AA. And it's similar. Before you get 150 on the AA as high, you get 1.8 hours. Now you get 2 hours. And then at 400 lumens, you only get 0.7. So you actually get longer run times with the AA battery, but you don't get as many lumens, which is fine. I bought this one because it's 1 AA battery. Right here, fits in any pocket in your jacket. Has a clip. You can carry this every day and not even notice it. I just put a couple of runs of thread on there in case I had to hook it on something or snap. It's just a thing I do. So far I really like it. It's a Manker E05 E05. It's a great light so far. And all the new ones have strobes. Oh. So if you like what you're seeing here today, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss any. And later we're going to talk about the big brother, the E14. Next show will be the E14 II. It's a rechargeable one. Alright, thanks for watching.